How about you had the chance to step into the world of all legendary fantasies? Can you capture yourself exactly as you find yourself looking in real life when you check the mirror? Have you ever seen the modern take on ancient pocket watches? Do you know about the easiest way to keep yourself warm in winter and cold in the summer? Have you ever had a pocket-sized PC? Find out about gadgets that answer all of these questions and so much more in this video today. All the modern gadgets which focus on both design and functionality have been introduced lately. We have selected a few amazing gadgets for you today. These great devices are proven revolutionary with their modern technologies and ergonomic designs. But before going any further, if you're watching this video right now, please hit like. If you're new to this channel and want to know more about the trendiest and craziest gadgets and tech available in the market, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever amazing videos like this are uploaded. If you want to get any of these gadgets today, click the link in the description box down below to get a special Tech Giants discount. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Giant. The list of gadgets discussed in today's video is a must-have in your life. Watch your life turn around with these incredible newly designed gadgets for the modern world. Number 1. Pocket Bands 3.0. It, indeed, is a very uniquely designed band. It's like your wrist pocket. It is an ideal gadget for times when you go jogging. You must be wearing your athletic shorts and will not have pockets to carry your little stuff with you. You can easily carry your cash keys or other small things in this pocket band. You do not have to come up with uncomfortable ways to carry your stuff, like stuffing things in your socks. You can store it all in your wristband. It is available in different colors and materials so that you can style it with your different outfits. A fancy glow-in-the-dark material is also available. Number 2. Rolova Digital Rolling Ruler. This modern ruler has overthrown the old traditional measuring devices. This digital ruler is very affordable and easy to use. You no longer need to stuff your bag with various kinds of rulers for straight, curved, and round surfaces and carry them all with you. This ruler is capable of accurately measuring every kind of surface. The digital display is bold and easy to read. It is constructed with stainless steel to be sturdy and durable, so it will not break easily. So do not worry about accidentally dropping it while working. Number 3. Master Key 4.0. You might have never come across a gadget as efficient as this. It is a pocket PC that solves all your workspace problems. It has every component that you need to make working easier wherever you are. It has a Wi-Fi connection and projects a keyboard and a 120-inch screen on your desk and wall. Keep in mind that it is not an ordinary projector. It is affordable even when it sounds like such a modern gadget, and it will cost you less than the usual laptop or phone. It is very handy and can actually fit in your pocket. Number 4. Wash Wow. You don't want to have a pile of dirty clothes when you're traveling because you don't have your washing machine and detergent. Now you don't need to have a giant washing machine with a bag of detergent to wash your clothes. This gadget, called Wash Wow, can literally fit in your bag. All that you need for a quick and easy wash for a clean laundry is this small, cube-shaped device. All you have to do is immerse it in water in a sink and add your dirty laundry to it. You do not even need to have detergent, and it will do all the work on its own. It not only washes your laundry, but it also has a sterilization rate of 99.9% and removes unpleasant odors and chemical residues from your laundry. Now you can have fresh and clean laundry wherever you are with not much effort. Number 5. Runcible. Have you seen ancient pocket watches depicted in movies? Here's a modern take on that. This circular pocket device is not simply a watch. It's a smart gadget. It can function just like a smartphone. It has a stylish wooden exterior, which will make everyone turn their eyes towards you when you carry it. With the classy, thin touchscreen, it really stands out. It features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a 7-megapixel camera, a Snapdragon processor, and various other amazing things. It is not just a stylish accessory. It can perform various functions with it. You can take photos, record videos, get navigation, and surf the internet. The device is designed by ex-Apple employees, so you can expect it to be a rather incredibly functioning and smooth device. It surely is an amazing modern device. Number 6. Zippo Hand Warmer. The company Zippo is well known for producing great quality cigarette lighters, but they have also been producing other amazing products lately. These hand warmers have been developed to keep your hands warm for over 12 hours, even when it's snowing. They are better than gloves to warm your hands because gloves limit your functionality, while you just have to hold this hand warmer in your hand like you're holding your phone or any such thing. You can hold it in the hand while working with another. It has a simple burning mechanism that you can initiate easily. Number 7. Big Idea Design Bit Bar. You always need a range of good quality and strong screwdrivers while working to fix any kind of machinery. Most portable screwdrivers that can be bought online lack a firm grip and are not that good in quality. Big Idea created small pocket-sized multifunctional EDC screwdrivers that are strong and have a firm grip. It has a special body of grade 5 titanium, which makes it almost indestructible. It has a clip for easy attachment with your belt or pants. Moreover, it is a multi-head tool, which makes it fit to be used with every kind of screw. Number 8. Figment VR. This innovative device gives you the experience of a lifetime. It powers movies, games, and other digital productions. It gives life to your imagination. What if it was possible to step into the imaginative universe of wizards from the Harry Potter series by just cutting out a cardboard headset? Not just this, you can experience Lego Race, the opera, and many more imaginative masterpieces. You can do it all with just your smartphone and VR headset. Number 9. Mirex. Have you ever had an instance in which you looked in the mirror and thought to yourself that you look really great? But then you proceeded to take a photo from your phone and it looks nothing like what you saw in the mirror? Well, there is a way through which you can capture yourself exactly the way you look. Mirex designed a special smart mirror that not only takes photos in the best possible way, but also provides you with an accurate amount of light for the perfect picture. It provides ample illumination for a picture worthy of being captured. It is a compact device, which means it is portable and can be used anywhere. You can even use it while it's dark to have a quick touch-up of your look. If you thought that was it, you're wrong. This incredible device is also a wireless charger for your smartphone. Just place your phone on top of it and watch it juice up. Number 10. Polar Seal Gem. We are sure no one likes to be out in the scorching summer heat with sweat and sweat stains making your clothes look dirty. Here comes Polar Seal Gem, a savior in the summer heat. It acts as your personal body cooler. This tiny gadget can lower about 10-degree temperature for over 7 hours. This means you can stay out all day with a stable temperature. Other than this, it reverses its function on cold winter days. The same device can work as a personal body heater too. It keeps you warm during freezing cold temperatures. It is easy to use. You just simply have to hang it around your neck and plug in the battery to have your temperature decreased or increased however you wish for it to work. That's it for today. Please comment under this video to learn about the latest and craziest tech available. We will try to come up with more trendy and crazy gadgets in our upcoming videos. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.